Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and healthy. In this video, I am going to explain about the PT, read aloud tips, tricks and strategies. And if you maintain these tips and tricks in your real PT test exam, then you can easily achieve your desired score. So you can see here on the screen that PT is a computerized test. It has 4 modules: speaking, writing, reading and listening. When we take PT exam, we have to sit in front of the computer with a 90-degree body posture. Then we should check our headphone or microphone. After that, we should give our short introduction, which is not marked. After that, our PT exam will start. You can see read aloud comes under the speaking section in PTE, and you have to maintain certain tips and tricks such as read aloud tips, fluency, not fast, not slow, pronunciation, word clarity, take half breath or small pause in for, comma and full stop, no repetition, use something instead of difficult word, do communicative speaking while reading. Read loudly in practice time, no hesitation, no addition, no omission or deletion, read as it is. Here on the screen you can see the read aloud score guideline. So read aloud will give you the marks for the speaking as well as reading section also. It gives the partial credit for the reading section also. And read aloud will give you the marks on the basis of 3 components such as content, pronunciation and oral fluency. So in read aloud, each word computer will give you 0.25 marks for the reading section for each word. Another is pronunciation. So whatever you see in the read aloud in your real test exam, so if you maintain like the British accent or like the Australian English, then you will be given the 5 marks. But it is not possible because we are the non-native English speaker, so our mother language always dominate the English language. So don't worry, either if you maintain good or advanced English, then we can easily achieve our desired score. Another rule is oral fluency. So in oral fluency, whatever you speak in front of the computer in the real test exam, you need to maintain fluency. Your speaking fluency must be 90. It means whatever you speak, you should speak without mumbling, without fumbling, without taking lots of pause. If you mumble, if you fumble, if you take lots of pause, it means your speaking proficiency is not good enough for the PT exam. So whatever you speak, you should speak smoothly and you should speak continuously. If you speak continuously, then energetic bar will be formed in the computer and computer will give you the marks. Now let me show you how these tips and tricks you can easily apply practically in your real test exam. You can see here on the screen, this is read aloud, and first rule is that you should maintain fluency. Fluency means not fast, not slow. So let me show you how can you maintain the fluency. So while blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue foods rare in nature. Food researchers say that when humans search for food, they learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black or purple. When food diet, blue is served to a static object, they lose appetite. You have just seen me that I have spoken here smoothly, without mumbling, without fumbling, without taking lots of pause. Then if you maintain the fluency like me, then computer will form the energetic bar. Computer will make the energetic bar in your real test exam and computer will give you the marks. But if you mumble or if you fumble, if you say like this, suppose while blue is one of the most popular colors or least appetizing or blue foods rare in nature, or food researchers say that when you want search for food or they learn to, if you mumble, if you fumble, if you make a sound, then you have spoiled the bar here. Then computer will not give you the marks because you have not maintained the fluency. So you have to maintain the fluency, and according to the fluency, computer will give you the marks in your real test exam. Another rule is you should maintain the pronunciation. In pronunciation, whatever you do, you should maintain good pronunciation. For easy, if you say wheel, black, popular, colors, food, then feed, royer, nature, then computer will not understand your voice and computer will not give you the marks. So for the pronunciation, you will not be given the excuse. So pronunciation and accent are different things. So in accent, you will be given the excuse. For easy, Indian people do own Indian accent. Nepalese people do their own Nepalese accent. Chinese people do their own Chinese accent. So in accent, you will be given the excuse. But in pronunciation, you will not be given the excuse. So whatever the pronunciation, you need to do the exact pronunciation. So you have to do while, blue, most, popular, colors, least, appetizing, blue, food, rare, nature. And computer will understand your pronunciation and computer will record each and everything into its written script and computer will give you the marks. So you should maintain good pronunciation in your real test exam. Another rule is word clarity. So you should speak clearly and smoothly so that computer will understand your words and computer will record into its written script and computer will give you the marks. So you should speak smoothly and clearly in your real test exam so that computer will record and computer will understand your each words. For this, you need to treat the computer as a human beings and you need to think in your mind that this is not the computer, this is our boss, our teacher, our uncle for whom I am speaking and he is easily understanding my matter and computer will give us the marks. So you should treat the computer like a human being. Another rule is that take half breath or a small pause in for, comma and full stop. So you can see here is the comma, here is full stop, here is full stop. So in real test exam, you should not take half breath or a small pause in near comma and full stop. If you take half breath or a small pause in near comma and full stop, then computer will show lots of bar into its written script and computer will say you that your speaking proficiency is not good enough. So you can take half breath or a small pause in for, comma and full stop. When you start from here, then you can take a small breath here, you can take pause here, you can start from here, then you can go up to here, then you can take a small breath or pause here and you can end here. So you can take half breath or a small pause in for, comma and full stop. Always keep in your mind. If you take lots of pause in near comma and full stop, then it means your speaking proficiency is not good enough for the PT exam. So energetic bar will not count in the computer and computer will not give you the marks. So you can take half breath or a small pause in for, comma and full stop. That is the rule. No repetition. You should not repeat any word while you speak in the real test exam. Let me show you. Suppose while blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue foods rare in nature. And I repeated this word popular 2 times. Then my bar has been spoiled in the computer. Because whatever you speak, computer will make the bar. And my bar has been spoiled because I have spoken popular 2 times. In this case, if we do like this, computer will not give us the marks. So whatever you speak, you should speak only 1 time. Always keep in your mind. You never repeat any word. Another rule is that use something instead of difficult word. So In the real test exam, computer will give you 40 seconds for practicing, and within 40 seconds you have to read and you have to find out that whether the difficult words are given or not. Suppose here is given the appetizing and I can't pronounce this word appetizing, then I have taken the decision that I have to say something instead of appetizing. Then when my current status recording will start, then I have to say something. Let me show you. I have already taken the decision that I have to use something, then my current status started, then I have to say, while blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least something. Blue foods rare in nature. Food searchers say that when humans search for food, they will learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black or purple. When food diet, blue is soft to study object, they lose appetite. You have seen that I have used the word something. Then in this condition, my 0.25 marks computer will reduce, but remaining all marks computer will give me. But if I mumble, if I fumble, if I say oh sound here, then computer will not give me the marks up to here. So keep always in your mind that if there are any kind of difficult word, then you can use something. Another rule is that do communicative speaking while reading. So one type of speaking is like this, such as while blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue foods rare in nature. Food searchers say that when humans search for food, they learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black or purple. When food diet, blue is soft to study object, they lose appetite. Computer will never understand these types of reading. So you should not do like this. You have to say like this. While blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue foods rare in nature. Food searchers say that when humans search for food, they learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black or purple. When food diet, blue is soft to study object, they lose appetite. So when I spoke second time, then computer will give us the marks. But if I spoke first time, then computer will not understand anything what I have spoken. So always keep in your mind that you have to speak by communicative voice. First time you can't do the communicative voice, so 1 or 2 days if you really practice, then you can easily read aloud with the communicative voice. It is very easier for you. Another rule is that read loudly in practice time. So computer will always give you the 40 seconds in the real test exam, and within 40 seconds you have to read smoothly and loudly, so that your pronunciation will be very good and you can easily maintain a smooth voice. So you should practice loudly, you should read loudly in your real test exam within 40 seconds. Another rule is that no hesitation. You should not take any kind of hesitation. You have to practice well. You will be given the good marks in your real test exam. You always believe in yourself. That is known as no hesitation. Another rule is that no addition. So any extra word you should not add here. Suppose if you add any extra word, then what will happen in the computer? Let me show you. Suppose I am using and here. Then while blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue foods rare in nature. Food searchers say that when humans add search for food, they learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black or purple. When food diet, blue is soft to study object, they lose appetite. So I have used here at, and if I use here at, humans at searched, then computer will keep this word searched in the place of 4. 4 will go in the place of food, food will go in the place of they will go in the place of learn will go in the place of two will go in the place of avoid will go in the place of toxic. So from here to here, all word misplaced and computer will not give us the marks. So you should not use any extra word. So whatever you can see, you can speak as it is. Another rule is that no omission or deletion. So you should not omit any word. Let me show you. While it is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least advertising. And I have read, but I have missed the word blue. Then computer will keep the word is in the place of blue, one in the place of is, of will in the place of one, the will in the place of, most will in the place of the, popular will in the place of most, and colors will in the place of popular. So all word misplaced, because I have missed here this word blue, and all words misplaced, and at that time computer will not give us the marks. So you should not add any extra word, and you should not omit or delete any word. You should read as it is. So if you really apply these tips and tricks in your real test exam, then you can easily achieve your desired score. Thank you very much. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.